So we pulled the front cover off and found the problem. See right there, that alignment pin busted off.
Are you recording this?
Yep. You're now live.
It's like a new one of those.
With different I bet you it's hitting that lifter.
It is. Is there just the one lifter left?
Yep. Oh no, all the lifters are still on this side.
Oh. It's a lot easier if you can
If you can what?
Where's the pliers at?
All these lifters are all no good anyway. Where's this?
I got it, but
Oh yeah. I see that broke off. Oh, must have got stuck and it was just wearing it.
you must have drove it for a while like that.
Holy. So I guess pull the. Yeah, I can see it's worn it off. Nice. So I'm sure all that went through the oil pump. All that metal.
Someone's got a filter cover. Okay, can you lift that up now or not?
Where's the. You grab it. Oh, yeah.
You just gotta get it up a little tiny bit more. That's so close. Okay, just wait. I can get a long screwdriver. Did you get it? Or did you spin it?
I just took the clip out of it, but.
Why?
Try to pry on it there.
Did anything do it happening?
See? Nope. I should be able to get my hold this one? I should be able to get my vice grips on.
Good. Good enough. Okay, you're gonna have to tap it in.
What?
In. It's only gonna go in. Did you take the clip out?
Yep. What do you think? What's that?
Just wait, stop. Then you get the magnet first.
Where did I put that magnet? Want me to take the insides out?
Oh, try that, yeah, try it. Take the inside out. Just to will it come out?
Yep. What else is in there?
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay, what I meant by that was you try to push it in, but I'm gonna try to grab it from this side.
Did that actually break right off? That's not good. So that's somewhere
In the pan, the pin, and that part is in the pan.
the actual hole though is good though, I think.
Yeah.
A little bit of sludgy.
I feel like maybe he didn't change his oil as
Much as you think, yeah. It's kind of
a little bit sludgy. Let's see though. Sludgy or is it oil? Just sludge though. It's not silver. So
yeah, it's a good sign. You got a magnet? Alright, there's a bunch more. There's another bunch of other chunks in there. Yep.
Oh, there's the pin. pins of the bearings.
Is that it?
That's on parts washer.
Oh yeah, you want all these pins, eh? In the bearing. That's just nasty. So should we? Now we got the cam out, and everything's all pulled apart. We pulled the oil pan off too, as you can see, and just blow all the oil passage lines out, and then just make sure they get all the metal out of it. But everything else looks pretty good. We found, I think, all the metal at the bottom of the oil pan. It didn't suck it up or go through any of the passages. And all the rest of the lifters came out good. You can tell which cam lobe that it was on. And it broke the alignment pin off the end, but we have a new cam with the active fuel management delete coming. All new lifters. And a new chain. Only one rec valve. And we'll change the oil pump and the chain. I think the gear's good, so. And just, you can just react one push rod. So like and subscribe, and you can watch it. We'll put it back together on the next video once the parts come back in. Thanks.